I'm Jane.
And I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And we are continuing with our recipes from the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook. And today we're going to make Jen's potato salad. And my friend Jen, she's great, but she does not eat any vegetables or any fruit. I can't believe she's alive. It's simply shocking to hear that about her. But she's great. And she had us for dinner one time and she had this wonderful potato salad. And I was like, wait a minute, you don't eat vegetables. What is this? And she said, oh, come on. Potatoes are gourds or something, or tubers, and an onion's a bulb. And I thought, oh my gosh, she doesn't categorize onions or potatoes as vegetables and fruit. But anyway, it's a wonderful dish, and it's in our book on page 139 if you're following along, Jen's Potato Salad with Fresh Dill. So the key to this is to make the potatoes sort of the right size. The picture is a little deceptive. People have used big potatoes and then they've just sort of quartered them, and they're like, this is really dry. And I should have been more clear in the recipe perhaps that they're cut fine, just like my mom's doing. They can be coated with the coating that we use, which is not obviously what is usually in potato salad with people. They usually put like what, mayonnaise or
mayonnaise.
Cream. I don't even know what's in the other potato salad. But we put in 3 pounds of potatoes, so this is roughly 3 pounds. You know, we may have a little less, a little more. Hard to gauge. 'Cause I don't have a scale in my kitchen. And the bag at the store usually comes in 3 pounds. The store where I get.
Look at this purple potato.
Oh my gosh!
Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? It's shedding a little skin, but that's still good to include because you got to eat the skin of the potatoes.
And the purple ones have that great color, which brings in so much more sort of phytochemicals. And you're going to put 3 pounds of potatoes, 3 stalks of celery, and this just chop it up as quickly as you want. My mom and I sort of had a fight over who gets to cut the celery because it's so satisfying and goes so quickly.
I don't like cutting the potatoes.
You're doing a beautiful job. I like how you're mixing the colors nicely. Okay, so once this is all chopped up nice and fine, get everything in your bowl, and the sort of the flavor comes from half cup of shallot, and since I didn't have a shallot, I'm just using onion. Shallot is sort of the fancy cousin of an onion, and the coating, if you will.
My problem is I don't have a good knife.
Well, I asked her to get a good knife that she'd be happy with. I did.
But
Is 6 tablespoons of applesauce, and I always use 6 tablespoons because that's how much is in one of these little applesauce containers. I prefer to use a big glass jar, but I open it sometimes and then I don't use it all and it goes bad. So I don't know what's more wasteful. And then this is mustard. So applesauce, mustard, and fresh dill create the beautiful flavor of Jen's potato salad. And this dill is from our yard, and I had as many dill seeds as I did dill frill. What do you call that? Dill hair? Dill.
So you don't really have enough dill for this.
What? I should get more dill, apparently. And in that goes.
But I have finished the potatoes in the right size, I think.
And this might look a little different, but once you put it on and coat it, it all looks beautiful. Somebody bought our book, and actually lots of people have purchased the book, and they've made nice comments about this salad. But one person said, I picked up this book, and they had potato salad with applesauce and mustard. I returned it. They clearly didn't try it. They just looked at it and left. But if you give this a try, it is so surprising. Can you have that stir? And should I go and get more dill out of the yard? I'm going to go get more dill out of the yard while she stirs. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm back.
Jane,
I'm back.
This salad needs color. It needs parsley or cilantro or
Okay, I'm adding more
a
dill.
bushel of dill. That is not enough
Okay,
dill.
I'm adding more dill. And if you want to add more color because you eat with your eyes, add basil, or not basil, parsley or whatever. Fine. But this is delicious. Let's try this as is, and then we can.
I'm gonna in my portion. I'm gonna put parsley.
Okay. Well, can you try this now?
Oh.
Okay. Let's give it a go.
I want a purple potato.
Oh, I got one too.
Oh, it's good.
That's great. All right, I gotta give some to Wade. Give that a try. Yum yum. Oh, it's falling everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's delicious.
That's delicious. All right, go make it.
Bye.